こんにちは。Hey. We went to Shinjuku to get vegan ramen at Ipro. 新宿でイプロラーメンで vegan ラーメン食べに行きました。けど、of course, eating ramen is a little bit dirty, and between that and wine and coffee or whatever, my jumper got stained. Oops. ラーメンとコーヒーやワインかなんかでスウェッターがちょっと汚くなった。で、このジュエリーは作って隠すかなと思ったけど、やっぱり見える。I made this kind of jewelry to try and cover it up, but you can totally see it. So here I've got some regular dish soap and some apple cider vinegar.
Missile and internal DC. Pressurization complete.
ディッシュソープとリンゴの酢できれいできましょうか? So I figured I could probably clean it myself without taking it to a dry cleaner, and because it's just those few spots and dry cleaning often uses harsh chemicals, I figured this would be a better option for the environment. Clean it myself, just spot clean it where it's actually dirty rather than the whole thing, and save some money while we're at it as well. クリーニングに出したらちょっと環境にあんまり優しくないね。結構強い材料使ってきれいできるけどあんまり良くないですね。環境のためとちょっと貯金もできるから自分できれいできるだったら嬉しいなと思いました。So I'm just rubbing the mixture onto the stained parts. 汚いところだけでちょっと抜いてるだけ。I used a towel. You could probably use any sort of like rag or scrap fabric as well, but that's just what I had around, so I used that. 今回タオル使ったけど、他の生地も使えると思います。
This ends now.
Then I waited about 25-30 minutes. 30分ぐらい置いた。で、その後、冷たい水で上に流した。So I ran it under cold water and then I let it dry. When I ran the water on it, I didn't really rub it. Then while I'm cleaning it, I decided I might as well remove all the little bubbles as well. So I've got a bubble remover here which has a cord because I wanted to avoid anything battery operated because it's so annoying to have to find a place to recycle batteries, especially in Japan. It's really hard to find anywhere that will accept them. So any time I can avoid getting something that needs batteries, I do, whether that's like a USB cable or just something that plugs into the wall like this. Amazing. これでなんていうか日本語わからんけどネットの上でなんか丸いやつ結構多いからそういうブズみたいなものを買って消してる。すごいですね。もうそれしたら新品みたい。I think it worked really well. You can see a little before and after here. And after I let it dry, I tried it on the next day and look at it! It looks so clean and brand new. もうほら次の日、うわー、もう綺麗になりましたね。新品みたい。すごい。イエーイ、よくできた。
Blemish inside.